Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce our group.
My name is Maya Saratrani.
My name is Mulan Febrina.
My name is Eva Ayu Mailani.
My name is Siva Salsabila. Hi everyone. So here we are at Benteng Pendem. Keep following us. This is the main door, the Benteng Pendem. Let's go in. Benteng Pendem was original name from the Netherlands is the Strategic of the Landau Tweedsland Abbey. This name up into the sea. Resembles the shape of a sun in the east. This order from 61 until 1679. It was used as the headquarters. Java Island is in the south because Cilacap was considered very strategic for 2 years until 1952. The fort was empty or no one controlled or occupied it only from 1952 was it used as the headquarters of the Indonesian National Army, including the Benteng Loreng troops. In the course of history, Benteng Pendem was used as a training base for crossing forest.
For crossing forests, mountains, swamps, and seas by the RPKAD troops, now Kopassus, who built 2 bullet monuments as the main entrance to the Benteng Pendem complex at the time.
Trial. In ancient times, Benteng Pendem had a moat on its edge that circled the fort, but now only 500 has been dug. This ditch was used to drain water from the tunnel and as an obstacle for the enemy to advance into Benteng Pendem. Starting from 1965 until 1986, the fort location was consumed by time, struggling with the weather and unfavorable season, until the government carried out the construction of a ship dock, office, and oil tank for Pertamina called Area 70, utilizing part of the Benteng Pendem area covering.
Barak. This is Barak. 14 was built in 1877 and consists of 14 rooms, acted as a place to rest or sleep. Defense fort. There are 2 types of defensive fortification in Benteng Pendem. A defensive fort which is equipped clinic or health place. The health room was built in 1879 and was the last of the existing buildings, which was used as a place of treatment when soldiers were sick. Accommodation room, length 45 meters, height 5 10 meters. In the accommodation rooms, there are 6 rooms. Weapons warehouse. In the past, weapons warehouse was still in the form of powder which easily exploded. So, in the weapons warehouse, there was a room below filled with water which was acted as a coolant. Bullet Monument. The two bullet monument was built by the Indonesian Army RPKAD when they used the Benteng Pendem location as a training and sea landing site.
In the past, ammunition was still in the form of powder which easily exploded. So, in the weapons warehouse, there was a room below filled with water which was used as coolant. The prison room, which was built in 1861, consists of 3 separated buildings. Each prison building has 3 rooms, measuring 0.5 times 3.4 to 5 meter, 3.25 meter high. Defensive fort. There are 2 types of defensive fortification at Pendem. For a defensive fort which is equipped with a room or is called a perfect edges open.